properly. But we have East opening 1 no, right?
Right.
And then South, I think you definitely want in on this auction, and you have a 6-card spade suit. So playing different systems, your bid might not be 2 spades. Playing don't over opponent's no trump, you just bid a natural 2 spades here, right?
And then because it's natural, do you still alert it as
Nope.
don't?
Nope.
You do not alert
You
it
do
as
not.
don't, okay.
A double,
Natural bids are not alerted.
could it also been a double for home, 6 card, 12 points?
That's-
I would just bid spades.
Okay.
I mean, you're normally
You
gonna
did
use
something
your
else
single
and
suitor
don't.
for the other suits, but you have a natural spade bid
Well, she's
available.
got 6 cards.
So, now what people would
Six
typically do,
cards. Yeah.
so in
And she
theory,
doubled, then
and
you
don't,
would-
you have 2 ways to show spades. They would double and bid spades with a much better hand with spades.
If you were
That
doing
would be the only
something other than
difference.
spades, because spades is
If
special.
you're doing something, if you wanna show a single suitor other than spades, you have to start with the double of double. But
And that's
but here,
alertable.
here you just get to bid, the double is alertable because we don't know what suit it is.
And also,
It's a
if you
non-specified
had
long
a
suit.
4 or 5, if you just bid one of those, was that alertable
Yes.
also? Okay.
Any bid that
anything
you
but the
any bid that
six.
you make that shows an unknown suit or that shows a second suit in addition to the one that you're bidding that is unknown must be alerted. Any bid that is just natural that shows only the suit that you bid should not be alerted. So in this case, you're bidding 2 spades and it doesn't show anything but spades, so no alert. All right, so this is an opportunity for you to use Liebensal, and did you use it over here or no?
I said 2 no.
You did say, okay. So remember, there's the old 2-no Liebensal that is artificial. It does not show a balanced hand. In fact, it could be a whole bunch of different hands. The one thing we know is that 2-no, which should be alerted, by the way, should force, and I don't think that North has anything to say on this hand, but remember that this is going to force 3 clubs. This is the relay part of Liebensal. We got to force the no trump bidder to bid 3 clubs, and then West will get to describe what this hand actually looks like. And so in this case, with long diamonds, you're going to bid 3 diamonds. So then the next question is, all right, what does this show in the way of values? Because we need to remember whether or not this is forward going or not. And the answer is what? No, it's not forward going, right? This is to play. And how do we know that 3 diamonds is to play and that the no trump bidder needs to pass 3 diamonds? Because if your partner had a good hand, they wouldn't be bidding Liebensal, they would just start with a forcing 3 diamonds, right? Remember, new suits at the 3 level are just natural and forcing. And going through the relay is, partner, I'm not interested in game, but I don't want to sell out to 2 spades either. We should play this hand.
So is it 5 to 7 points to go through Liebensal? Is it 5 to 7?
In that vicinity, maybe you might even have as much as 8.
Okay.
Or as few as 4, you know, I mean, what if you have a 7-card suit, right?
Yeah.
So the idea, remember the whole idea is you need this way to tell partner who opened a no trump, hey, we shouldn't sell out, we have about half the deck, maybe a shade more, I don't want you getting excited, I don't want you bidding on, we don't want to be in game, but we also don't just want to sell out to 2 spades. We want to play, in this case, 3 of a minor, whether it makes or not. If 3, now 3 diamonds makes on this hand, but if 3 diamonds for some reason is not making, then the opponents were probably making 2 spades, right?
Yeah.
So the idea is to be able to get where we want to be and then put the brakes on without going the game. But I saw over here you ended up in 3-no, and I suspect on a spade lead, missing the ace of diamonds, 3-no probably didn't fare very well because they get their spades set up and they have an entry to them. So, and for good measure, partner has singleton jack, which clears up the picture on the spade suit very quickly for the defense against 3-no. But in 3 diamonds, you lose only 1 spade, right? The hand record will tell you, and I just looked at it, and I haven't figured it out yet. I think it's a squeeze on North. The hand record tells you that 4 diamonds is makeable. In practice, I think 3 diamonds is probably going to make on this hand most of the time. Looks awfully difficult to make 10 tricks. But I do think that North ends up getting squeezed in clubs and hearts on this hand. If you run off a bunch of diamonds at him. So, but that's probably about it. There's not, you know, like I said, not a lot to say about the play, but.
What's the points on?
Double.
Liebensaal?
Double.
So